Okay, so we have minus 20 attached to the strap. It's 4K 60p. Okay. It's at low canceling right now. Low canceling, minus 20. Let's go to noise canceling. So it's now at minus 20, low cancel. Now it's noise cancel. Noise cancel now. Now it's at noise canceling. Minus 20, noise canceling now. It's on the attached to the strap. So it's at noise canceling. Now I'm going to turn it to off. Off. Sound off. Minus 20 off. Minus 20 off. This is what it sounds like, minus 20 off. I'm going to go back to noise canceling. This is minus 20 noise canceling. I am right next to the microphone, minus 20 noise canceling. I am now a foot or two, foot and a half away, where like the strap would be. Minus 20 noise canceling. I'm going to switch to low cancel, low cut, and I'm going to keep it at low cut. It's at minus 20 low cut. Now it's at minus 10 low cut. Now it's at minus 10 low cut. Now it's at minus 10 low cut. Now it's at 0 low cut. 0 low cut right now. I am about the straps length away. 0 low cut, talking regularly. 0. Now I'm yelling. Well, I'm talking louder at the same distance. Talking louder. So now I'm going to switch to minus 10. Talking regular, minus 10. Now I'm talking louder. At minus 10. Now I'm talking louder. Okay, I'm going to switch to minus 20. Minus 20, talking regular. Now I'm talking louder. Minus 20, talking louder. Minus 20, talking louder. I am going to switch this to... Actually, I'm going to keep this one on, and I'm going to walk. Okay. I turn this other one on. It is a low cut. This other one's at low cut, minus 20. I am holding it directly in front of my mouth. Directly in front of my mouth, low cut, minus 20. So now I'm going to low cut, minus 20. Low cut, minus 20. Okay, this is with both of them on. I'm going to go back and turn off the one that is on the camera to get rid of any potential noise that would create. So that's switching off now. So the one on the camera itself is off. The camera is recording. I'm at minus 20 in low cut. So now I'm minus 20 in noise canceling. Close to the camera, minus 20, noise canceling. Minus 20, off. Nothing's on, minus 20, off. Off, minus 20. Nothing at all. I'm talking close to the camera, minus 20, off. Okay, minus 20, off. So I'm going to go back to noise canceling. This is what it sounds like, minus 20 noise canceling, talking right next to the microphone, minus 20 noise canceling. This is minus 20 noise canceling, and I'm talking louder, minus 20 noise canceling, and I'm talking louder next to the microphone. If I talk this loud, will it sound better if I talk this far away at minus 20? Or can I talk this far away and it still sounds good? I do not know. I'm going to switch to low cancel. Low cancel, minus 20, and I'm talking this loud and it sounds okay. I'm talking this loud. If I talk a little bit louder, does it sound okay if I'm still right next to it? Or do I need to move away? If I do, I need to move away at that point. Do I need to move away? Okay. So let me stay at low cancel, and I am going to switch from minus 20 to minus 10. Minus 10. I'm going to switch to 0. Is this too loud? Talking regularly next to the microphone, is that too loud? This is 0. This is at minus 10. Talking a little bit further away. Is this okay? Hooray. Oakley dokley. Yippity doo. Hooray. Okay, and now I'm talking at minus 10, and I'm talking a little bit louder at minus 10 right next to it. Is this too loud? Is this too loud? If it's at -10 and I talk a little bit too loud next to the microphone, is that too loud? Is it too loud at -10 if I talk microphone's distance away? Is this good? Is this good? Is this good? Is this good? Okay, and then 0. 0. Does 0 decibels sound good when it's this far away from me? I'm sure it probably doesn't sound good like this. Does it sound good when it's this far away? Is 0 the way to go when it's over like this? Can you still hear me? Can you still hear me if I put this here and I talk and I move further and further away? Can you still hear me? Can you still hear me clearly? Can you still hear me clearly? Can you still hear me clearly? Can you still hear me clearly if I'm over here? If I'm over here, can you still hear me clearly? If I walk over here, can you still hear me clearly? 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 Can you still hear me? That was at 0 decibels the whole time. And I am going to switch to noise canceling 0 decibels. This is noise canceling at 0 decibels, and this is off at 0 decibels. So no cancellation of any kind at 0 decibels. I am going back over here, and I'm going to turn this off, and I'm going to switch to the other thingamajiggy. I am the whole thing is on mix, or it's on digital. So let me go from digital to digital, digital. I'm going to switch from mix to separate. So now it's at separate, mix to separate, mix to separate, mix to separate. That's what it sounds like. The microphone is inches away from my mouth as I am talking this entire time from behind it. Okie dokie. I am going to now turn off the camera. I'm going to go back to mix. It's okay, back to mix. It is on digital, okay, it could stay there, and I am going to turn it off.